All right, so we're getting our carb hooked back up. We got both our vacuum lines in the back done. Our fuel line here is done. I just got 2 more nuts to tighten up on the mounting studs. I need to put our throttle linkage and our choke back together. And we can fire this baby up, get her up to temperature, make any adjustments we need, and go from there. All right, gonna crank this a little bit, get the fuel bowl primed, start adjusting. Scotty, what did you just say?
You never cease to amaze me when it comes to a carburetor.
I haven't even touched it yet.
No.
I just cranked it until it had fuel, gave it 2 pumps.
I mean, I watched you build the carb in front of me, pretty much.
It's running.
Out here, you slapped it on, so there's been no adjustment to fuel mixture, air ratio, nothing. And
the choke's wide open and it's cold.
And I even asked you, I said, okay, do you want me to prime the carb, fill up the bowl so this way we're not struggling to get it to start? I'm like, no, I'm just going to turn the key. Let's see where we go. 10 seconds later.
By the way, look, the vacuum gauge, it's on the low end of idle. I'm sure a little adjustment and away we go. But let's let her get up to temp first.
Okay. When it comes to carburetors, dude.
Yeah.
I've nicknamed you the Carb Whisperer for a very logical reason. I don't know how you do it.
Because I'm not stupid.
Well, the jury's still out on that one.
Look at that. No leaky. Ow!
Where'd it go?
What are you doing? Oh, you're pulling weird hairs out of my ear?
Yeah.
All right, so we got no leakies. We are happy camper right now. I'm gonna let it get up to temperature, and then I'm gonna adjust mixture, and away we go.
And look at that. When I cleaned everything up and I cleaned that filter and that bowl,
yeah, it's pretty.
So much. This thing's gonna run like a top for him.
As soon as it gets up to temp. No, I didn't even turn the filter.
Oh snap!
I got it.
Did
no, it's that close.
I knew we forgot something.
No, I didn't. I was just in there because I wasn't done yet.
You're such a.
So I'm gonna let it get up to temp,
right?
And then I'm gonna set our mixture and our idle speed, and away we go, boys and girls.
You never cease to amaze me, dude. Like legitimately, you don't.
Okay, now quit blowing sunshine up my butt and get back to work. Did I amaze you now? Anyway, so we're gonna let that get up to temp, and then I'll do some adjustments.
Wow. And check, if you look straight back, that the spark plug wire to the right, the cap that kicks forward, it doesn't look like it's all the way on.
Yeah, I'll make sure I zap myself. Shut up, Scotty. Anyway, all right. Check that guy. So I gave it about half a turn on idle speed, and then I went and richened the idle, eighth of a turn on each side, about 3 times, and the idle kept increasing, and for the 4th time, and nothing happened. I did it 1 more time, and it started to drop out, so I went back. Yeah, running nice and smooth.
Scotty, see, here's the funny part.
Beep, beep.
I started off this video with a tan sweater on, and now I'm in an orange shirt. Figure out how that happened.
Because it's not cold anymore. I'm trying to get here real quick. Hold the door, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Where are we at?
Idle vacuum is just a little over 20. It's bouncing about 20 and a quarter. 20 to 20 and a quarter. And that's
for this
all
truck
by,
and this setup is...
Yeah, that's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
And that's all by, I kicked the idle up a little bit, the speed, and then I just adjusted the idle mixture. There it is.
I just noticed that. Let me stay where I'm at. Look at the clutch master cylinder.
That's the brake master.
The brake master. That's leaking.
The brake master cylinder is leaking air, as you can see. I probably discussed it in a previous video.
We may have, I don't remember.
I know I've seen it, but it's been chaotic. But that needs to be addressed. That looks more like Teflon on top wasn't done well.
Probably, but normal.
But
I wish we could put a manifold on here and change it to at least a 2-barrel carburetor.
it is a 2-barrel carburetor.
That is?
Yes. See, this is why we don't usually discuss carburetors.
I never
Scotty
said.
doesn't know.
I don't. I never got into them.
Holes in the bottom. So what is it?
Well, you know, hey, that's just a really good knife.
You're not used to things. Never mind. Anyway, so these are really good. These Stromberg WW trucks. So I like them. It runs like a champ. I'm gonna let it get up to temp. I'll move it over to our bay. We'll change the oil. And then, okay, he can come get it. We'll discuss this.
Right.
We'll discuss this.
And let him make up his mind.
Let him make up his mind, but other than that, it's ready to go home.
Yep.
All right, Scotty.
Hasta mañana, amigo.
Not mañana, later.
Hasta mañana. We won't be here tomorrow.
Mañana means tomorrow.
Hasta luego. Hasta la bye-bye. Don't get anything
There
on
you
you.
go.